Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be kind of like a chill summer morning routine, self-care moment, trying out new products kind of vibe. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. A lot of the products, I don't even know what they are, but we'll get into that. Very exciting. If you guys are new to my channel though, don't forget to subscribe because I would really appreciate if you did. We are so close to 500,000 and I would love to hit that before the end of the year or even by the end of the summer. That would be like so great. So yes, definitely subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And of course, if you haven't checked me out on Instagram, do that. I don't know what side I put it on, but I put it on the screen. You can go check it out. That'd be cool. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm really excited about the sponsor of today's video because it is FabFitFun, and I have been asked so many times in my YouTube career if I ever worked with FabFitFun or if I've ever ordered or purchased my own FabFitFun box before. It's actually really funny because so many people of like my friends, my mom's coworkers, like so many people have a subscription to FabFitFun and I had never received a box or worked with them or anything until this point. So I'm very excited because I constantly get questions about it and it's one of those things I'm like, no, I've never worked with them, but I would love to. So I'm very excited about this, and this is their summer 2019 box. It is so beautiful and I'm so excited because the price point of these boxes is only $49.99 for the whole box, and it has over $200 worth of product. Most of them are full size, which is amazing. I also love the fact that it's not just beauty products, it's like beauty products, tech, lifestyle, fashion. There's like a really good mix of everything, and yeah, I'm so excited to finally have one of these boxes and to open it with you guys. Before I open the box, which by the way is like the cutest box I've ever seen, it says on the front, it's in support of Global Gift Foundation USA, Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. So each season when they release their boxes, they also work with a charity or an organization, and most of them are women founded, which is amazing. So I just wanted to touch on that because that is a very important point. But let's go ahead and see what's in here. So I think I've watched so many unboxing videos of these, so I'm gonna try my best to be as good as those people. Brittany, I'm talking to you. Love those videos. So you get a little magazine, and I'm pretty sure this tells you all of the things that are in the box, which is really cool. So I'm actually gonna save that and keep this as a surprise. The first thing I see in here are these Invisibobble traceless hair rings. These are so good. I've actually been using these more recently to tie up my hair when I don't want like a crease to go in. So this would be really good to put in your like beach bag or even your car. I think I'm gonna put these in my car because I always forget hair elastics, and sometimes when you're driving you just want to chuck your hair up. So that is really good. Love that. This next thing, oh, this looks awesome. Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. I love Living Proof products. They're so good. So I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna smell this actually. I love the smell of Living Proof. Wow. That's so good. I love that. Okay, that's really great. I guess you would use this on damp hair, yeah. So apply generously to clean damp hair from roots to ends. Love that. Seems like a great product to have for the summer because it smooths your hair when your hair gets normally frizzy. Next thing in here is a Wish, I'm not sure how you pronounce the brand, exfoliating foot mask, soothes and softens intense hydration. This sounds amazing. I love foot masks. It's like one of those products you don't really think of a whole lot, but like make a really big difference, especially if you dance and you're on your feet all the time. So I'm very excited, and I think this is gonna be such a good product for the summer as well. I'm super excited to try that. We're gonna be doing that very shortly. Next thing in here is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I've seen a few people try this out and it looks really awesome, so we're definitely gonna try that out this morning. This is the Refining Micro Polish. This is a plant stem cell science, intelligent nutrients, smooths and exfoliate. I guess it's skincare, assumingly. Micro Polish, is it just an exfoliant? I could probably use, oh yeah, damp face and neck, massage gently into exfoliate dead surface cells. Okay, so we have more skincare to try. I guess we'll use that before the face mask this morning. Ooh, and then this is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray, Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. I love a good face spray, and I also am obsessed with florals and rose and lavender anything, so this looks great, if I can. This is a really big bottle too. Wow, that's really big. Okay, let's smell it. Oh, that's nice. That's a good rose scent. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that. That smells so good. And the mister is like really fine too, so big fan of that. This is really, I just ate some of it. The next thing in here is quite big. This is the Sutra Beauty Marble Blow Dryer in the travel size. It's so cute. I love having a travel blow dryer. It makes such a difference because you never know how good a blow dryer in a hotel is gonna be, or even if there is one. So this is really great. There she is. Wow, I love the marble. So cute. They're so easy to pack away. And just like a really great thing to have if you have a lot of hair to deal with and you don't like letting it air dry like myself. The next thing in here is probably my favorite item. This is a silicone wine glasses set. It says what a pair, set of 2 from Odem, and it comes in a cute little drawstring bag, and this is what the cups look like. These are so great. These are gonna be great for picnics and any of my wine adventures. If you guys didn't know this about me, I love wine. It's definitely my favorite drink of choice. I love rosé in the summer, but I'm also not partial. I like pretty much all white wines, and these are gonna be so good. The color is so perfect, and I'm very excited about these, so yay to these. And the last thing in the box was this super cute tote. I love this, so great for the beach and for summer, or just keeping in your car for groceries. When they're great quality like this, they're gonna last you a really long time, so this is an awesome inclusion. And this is by the brand Summer in Rose, and this was the Global Gift Foundation inclusion, so love that. That is everything that was included in my FabFitFun box. A lot of these things though are customizable, so if you do purchase a subscription, you can actually dictate what is going to be in your box, which is so great and so awesome, because there's just some products you know you're gonna use or brands you've really been wanting to try, and that way you can choose those and put them in your box. And you guys saw this box was full, which is so good. I just think that they do such a good job of including things from different categories and things you maybe necessarily wouldn't try, but also just getting a box full of fun things to try. Every season is so exciting, and there's a reason they're so popular, and all of my friends and everyone else has this subscription because it's so good. So all the information for FabFitFun I will have in the description box below. You guys can go check it out, get on that list. I think you can still get the summer box, but if not, definitely plan for fall, and let's try out some of these products. I know that I said summer morning routine, but I'm gonna do like a skincare routine because I didn't know what was gonna be in this box, so we're gonna be doing some skincare, so let's go do that. Now that we're in the bathroom, the first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair up with the Invisi Bobble hair ties. There's 3 nude and 3 clear. I'm gonna choose one of the nude ones and put my hair up so I can do skincare. Cute, okay. Now that my face is clean, I'm gonna try out the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. This smooths, exfoliates, superfine treatment gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skins, especially oily and dry. I have dry, so that's great. Apply to damp face and neck, so get my face all damp. And this retailed for, oh, it has a seal. That's good. Smells good. It kind of smells like oregano, but I love oregano, so like, I'm okay with it. It's so weird. What does that smell like to you?
Yeah, I guess.
Right? Like, I don't know. It's
like
some
kind of spice that you find in the kitchen.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, the beads in it is like, they're really nice. I like a cream exfoliant because then it doesn't seem too harsh on your skin. Love that. That's why it's good for dry skin, I guess. Also, it says to take it down your neck too, which is a dangerous area because my self-tanner looks awful. My skin feels so smooth now. That's really nice. And you can clearly tell that I never tan my face. And so my self-tanner just like starts here. Not great. But moving on, I'm going to use the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask and apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions, then lightly pat your skin dry. I put on like a fairly thin layer and you can already see it's starting to dry and tighten. It definitely like tingles a little bit, definitely like around my nose, but yeah, it's drying so fast. That's crazy. I like the color of it too. Cool. Now we wait. So it's been probably just over 10 minutes now and the mask has like completely dried, and I love clay masks that you can see like all of the pores when the mask is dried. It's like my favorite thing ever. So I'm gonna rinse this off now. And here's what my skin looks like after the mask. It looks really great and it feels really great too. So I'm gonna finish off with the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. I love this. It says it hydrates, so it's perfect to apply right after a mask. Love that. That's so nice. And like I said, such a big bottle. You could also pop this in the fridge and then throughout the summer use it and it'll be extra cooling as well. So it's quite a while later, we had something come up that we had to deal with, so it's actually well into the evening now, but we did a good job of pretty much trying all the things that we could in the box. The foot mask I'm going to do tonight because you have to do it at night, and then also the hair product I had to have damp hair, so I will try that out when I shower next and let you guys know on my Instagram what I think of it. But there is one last thing that I have the ability to test out right now, and they are the silicone wine cups. I so conveniently had a bottle of wine in my fridge, so we're going to try it out. See how they work. These, oh, this is gonna be hard. Hold. Okay, we got it. What I was saying was, these would be so great for camping if you camp. I don't camp, but these would be great for that, and also just like to have in your car for a picnic or something. I think they're so cool. I was not expecting them to be as like flimsy as they are, but cheers. It holds wine. We are good, my friends. That is really good. I like this wine though. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of all over the place, but hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing me test out all of the things that I got in my FabFitFun box. Of course, I will have all the details for FabFitFun down below in the description box below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.